going on, squad? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. Hope all y'all been well and safe. I've been good. I just been chilling, everything like that. Let's get straight to the point. So there hasn't been much going on over here. I haven't really been working on the cars. Got the S2000 behind me. AP5 is still around. But yeah, there hasn't been much going on due to a few reasons. One, it is winter. Two, in Ontario, shout out to all my GTA peeps. In Ontario, we do have the stay-at-home order going on right now. So what that means is you can't really go out like that. Stores are not retail stores are not really open. You can't dine in, anything like that. You just gotta be safe, be careful. And when I was working on the car, sometimes I would need tools to make that trip to Home Depot. You guys know what it's like. And right now it's curbside pickup. So even if you need a tool midway while you're working on the car, you're gonna have to stop, order it online, and then wait a few days for that tool that you need. And I'm just not trying to do all of that, so I'm just gonna take it easy for now. I did pick up some parts for the S2000. Later on we'll get into that when the time is right. And also I've been doing some behind the scenes stuff for high beams, new designs. I'm looking into getting a new camera, stuff like that, just to up the quality for 2021. Put out some heat, put out some fire content, and yeah, so that's all that's been going on. I noticed this channel is starting to pick up some steam, so thank you guys for that. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the videos, help this channel grow. I'm probably gonna start up this car, and then yeah, car starts up. I love this mod right here. It makes a little bit of a difference. It's pretty cool. So sometimes I get questions about this. The crew banner is finally back. The link will be in the description for anyone who's interested. Go get yours today. And for the rest of the video, this is a vlog that I shot a few years back. It was one of my first vlogs, and I think this channel had about 200 or 300 subscribers. So I hope you guys enjoy it. A little throwback vlog. These are the fun times before this whole pandemic hit. So yeah, all of that. So continue to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Build your vision and enjoy. Peace. It's like Fast and the Furious right now, bro.
There's a Sylvia right beside. I know. I didn't notice. I was too focused on this.
I already found the best car here. Taking this AE yellow. That's crazy. Holy shit, bro. Rocket Bunny though. Checking out this guy's sound system. Is it crazy?
It's 800 RMS. I can do better.
Alright.
I can do louder, but it gets the job done. No copyright infringement.
Maybe.
Turn it up.
Oh, okay.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come?
Damn.
This is to tune it.
That's crazy. I don't think I could do it.
No, you have to be a sound guy though.
Yeah, exactly. Cause like I want to hear my car, you know?
That's the thing. That's same
Yeah.
thing with Kevin.
I need to hear like
I like
exhaust.
that too. I need both.
Fuck, bro. That's crazy.
That's how you got a crowd. That's how you got a crowd. This guy got it right to it.
Everybody revving.
He put Christmas lights on.
Supercharged.
Smell that burning.
Little revs.
Okay, top it a little bit.
We gotta detail his car too.
Top it.
Okay, wow. No, there's a lot of smoke.
Do a little bit more.
Hit it, hit it. Yo, just go, pull up a bit, pull up a bit.
Pull up a little bit. Pull up a little bit. You have a 10-foot range.
Alright, you're good, you're good.
Hey, now.
Okay, go.
I'm good.
I wanted to shoot.
Alright, go. Go.
Fuck his resonator.
Jeez. That's fire, yo.
Yeah, man.
Nice 240Z. Fair lady. That's fire.
It sounds like an LS swap.
Goals. Goals. This is flames. I need it. My bad. In the Fast and the Furious. JDM stuff. This FC is too clean, man. Look at that. Sleeper. It's just sleeping. Civic lineup. Damn, bro. Everywhere smoky. All you smell is rubber, bro. Roll out.